Hello, my name is Bernd Wiedel. At innovaphone, I'm responsible for the product family Cloud and Rental. As part of our portfolio, innovaphone also offers software rental. This service is aimed for partners who want to ensure themselves the operation of a communication solution via OPEX. That means the PBX, including everything that comes with it, is running either on an innovaphone gateway physically located at the customer's premises or virtualized in the customer's data center, for example based on VMware or Hyper-V.
This means I do not have to go into your cloud to use software rental.
Exactly. It is not necessary to use our cloud in order to rent innovaphone software. At innovaphone, software rental and cloud services are separated services.
Can I rent a complete telephone system with the full range of functions?
Yes, of course. No matter what operational mode you use the innovaphone PBX software, it always comes with its entire functionality, with queues, call distribution, voicemail, etc. Then of course all the well-known UC functionalities, such as video, app sharing, soft phone for the various operating systems and so on.
Where is my server located if I want to use software rental?
Here too you have all the freedom. You can install the PBX in your own data center, or you combine software rental with our cloud service and rent everything out of our cloud.
With whom do I close the software rental contract?
There are basically two options that you can choose. Either innovaphone concludes a contract with the partner and the partner then concludes a mirrored contract with its end customer. Or, if desired, a contract can also be concluded directly between innovaphone and the end customer, with ongoing payments always flowing through the partner.
How long is the contract duration?
The rental contract has no fixed term and can be cancelled at any time. The process is somehow similar to a prepaid system. This means the underlying customer account must first be charged, then the software rental can be used as long as credit is available.
Can I freely modify the number of licenses?
Absolutely yes. You set the pace. You rent exactly the licenses that you need at a specific moment, precisely according to your requirements. This makes the size of your installation and the required range of functions of the PBX more flexible. That way, companies easily adjust a changed number of employees, or a hotel can map seasonal changes to the PBX requirements.
How do I get software updates in this rental model?
Very easy. In principle, you can update your entire network with maybe 100 devices at the push of a button and at your most convenient time. And it doesn't matter where the relevant components are located, whether in the branch in Cologne, in the home office or in the foreign office in São Paulo.
What exactly do I have to do to be able to use software rental?
Super simple. So, first of all, the PBX can be installed without licenses. This can happen on your own hardware or in a virtualized environment. After the installation, the Central Devices app is available, which is used to manage all the components. Here, in the tab Software Rental, you can activate the rental. All you have to enter is a valid My Innovaphone email account and confirm the company for which you want to activate the rental. Done.
How is the payment then made?
The rental program uses innovaphone service credits, the so-called ISC, as means of payment. Similar to a prepaid model, these are initially loaded onto a customer account through the Devices app. All incurring rental costs are settled to the second. If there is no ISC credit on the customer account, the rented installation will automatically stop operating.
And what happens if I don't want to continue using the service?
Then simply leave the credits expire. We don't have a fixed contract term, no problem. Well, I think that's it for today. Thank you for your interest and see you next time. Bye-bye.